What is happening, my Fritos? Saturday morning, just finished recording the video that I was asked to make on how to set up the Thinkorswim platform. Some people that want to get back into trading, that was trading with me back in 2015. I'm now here on my other computer, as you could probably see and notice on the background if you watch the setting up Thinkorswim video that I'm about to upload. Is rendering on the other computer right next to me right here, and I switched off places from that computer there to this one here now because this is a day trading computer, and I want to talk about MNK, something that we noticed yesterday on the live stream, and you guys were able to see it live as it was unfolding. You can see here now it's Saturday morning, everybody's sleeping, and I want to take the time to make the video now that everyone is sleeping. That's why you see here this nothing going through on the montage, and as well as nothing changing on this things, no candles moving, nothing like that. Again, Saturday morning. I want to let you guys know that this is an open Discord group that I will be placing the link on the description if you want to be part of it. It's free, and we keep the conversation rolling, and we share a lot of ideas there. I'm helping out a lot of people. The last couple of days I've been approached by a few people that want to get back into trading, all the people that are new into this thing, and now with the coronavirus type of thing, it seems like everybody wants to try to find a way to work from home, because seems like there could be a possibility that there could be a lot of layoffs, a lot of hours that are going to be cut, and those safe and secure jobs seem like they were not so safe and secured anymore. But I want to get into this thing. We were able to see this thing ramp up last Friday, which is yesterday. As it was coming up, we had it right here a couple of times that it tried to come up, and it showed us indication that it was trying to move nicely. The only issue is that as it was actually breaking out, as you can see here, it came to the high of this 167, and we tested this 167 a couple of times. Even for example, right here, we tested 167, and then we have another 167, and for the fourth time that he tested that, he was able to break. It will go exactly 175. And even in this candle, 187. Here's the issue. As I was breaking out, and I'm gonna try to make this video really short because there's really not a lot to talk about here. This is only what happened. And I went back to the daily, real time with you guys on the stream. You can go back and see. It is also archived on YouTube. As you can notice, there's a lot of trend lines right here that I decided that I was gonna use. Let me just try to bring in here this this daily chart, because it's probably gonna be a little bit better for me to be able to use this one instead of what I was trying to show you there. MNK, if you notice right here, had 167, and this is on 1 minute time frame that I just showed you. But it was as it was ramping up, I was able to see here, and we had a resistance of 188, and after 188, then we had a resistance of 198, being too close to the whole dollar area, being $2, and then we had a resistance of 255. That it's right around the whole the half dollar resistance. I'm moving back to the original position. This window, just bear with me for a second. And again, I do apologize about that. I have several monitors here going on, so I'm moving back to the original place. Okay, now I'm back. So as I was able to see that thing coming up to 188, and then we had 188, 198, and $2, meaning $2, the whole area of resistance. 198, 188. As it was ramping up, I told you guys this thing is ramping up on resistance. I really want to make sure that I know exactly how far I can take the trade even before I take any kind of trade on this thing. And a lot of people got into this and bought into this supposedly breakout that was having into resistance right here. Look at the hard rejection that we had. 187 came to 187, and right here tested the 188 to just flush right back down, smack this 100 simple moving average. Just started ramping up from there, and as you notice here on the 5, it was just, as I told you guys, also being a trap here. For example, this area on this candle right here, looking at the 1 minute, I told you guys the problem with this coming down here is that it rejected all the 167. It started not closing under this. So right here we had a close 160, went to 166, but it closed at 168. And we have another one here, 168. We have another one here that came up from 168 to 172. So, and even this one right here, it came down and it closed 169. So I told you guys, this is a little trap that is being set by people that know what they're doing, making people believe that prior resistance, it's going to become now support. Make people buy into the supposedly break that it will probably have into the highs to 188, and then break towards the 2 and then go to 250. But I don't think that will happen. I think that people are trying to, the people with size are trying to provide liquidity and short into the panic, the FOMO of people missing the first break, and provide those shares that they taken on the opposite side. So they shorting into the spike that people buying into, making this seem to be a great opportunity as a long trade, when and the reality is that they are actually providing the shares that they shorting into, in you're buying into their short. And look at what happened here. I had a retest a key right here, 179, and came right back down, smacking this 100 simple moving average. So get a little bit of support, that is true. But as you can notice here, even this 167 that ramped up a little bit, then started to come right back down again, just to have a retest of this. I mean, a break under this area right here, 151. Found a little bit of support, $0.50 support right there. Came right back up. If you notice right here, there was this candle here that came down. But this all happened live as I was streaming. And you saw that real time with me explaining all of this stuff to you. And I just wanted to bring you this video afterwards, just as a reminder for people that was not on the live stream. For now, I'm gonna let you guys go. I wish you enjoy the rest of your weekend, your day, your years. You be safe out there. I know it's getting a little wild and tricky. Stores are closing, things are happening, but one of these days things are gonna pass, and in this market there's still a lot of opportunities to be found. Again, if you want to share ideas, go over to Discord. We keep the conversation rolling. If you want to get the free swing trade and day trade watch list that I sent out every weekend, you just gotta go over to traderscolony.com, create a free account, and you will have that on your inbox or your email. Now, that's all you have to do if you want to get those ideas. For now, I'm gonna let you guys go. All of the information is gonna be set in the description, all of the websites and everything else. And I'll see you guys around. Happy trading. I'll see you back on Monday. Take care.